What is going on, everybody? It's your boy KaoticKiccs, aka Mr. I Rock Them Sneakers, and I'm back with another video for y'all, man. Listen, y'all already know from the thumbnail, bro, we are here to discuss the UNC, aka University Blue Air Jordan 1 that is set to release this weekend, March the 6th, man. And your boy do have those on his radar, man. But listen, before I get into the video, if you are new to the channel and you haven't hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and also, man, like and share this video so that more people come over here and enjoy the content that your boy be putting out, man. Also, you can head over to the Go Shoe Care Cleaner, bro. Listen, this is their spray, and your boy do use this on his sneakers, man. I hit him up the night before, spray it all around, bruh. And before I step out my door the next day, whether I'm going to pick up some sneakers on release day or if I'm going out taking the wife to dinner or whatnot, bruh, I do spray this on my sneakers, and it does keep my sneakers protected. Also, while I'm out, I do keep a couple of the wipes just in case I do end up stomping in some mud or whatnot, or somebody step on my sneakers. I keep this around just to hit it up, man. Keep it touched up while I'm out and about. And then I come back after all said and done, the day is over with. I use the solution, add water, then I grab the bristle brush, man, and hit that midsole, man, to get my stuff back icy. You feel what I'm saying? So head over to the GoShoeCareCleaner.com, man, and save yourself 15% by using promo code KaoticKiccs on all products, man. Also, man, y'all know I rock with SOLEPREMISE heavy as well. They got the dopest premium leather and tumble leather bags in the sneaker game, man. And their bags are TSA approved. So what is you waiting on, bro? If you like sneakers, bro, and you travel to these events, man, or whatnot, you definitely need a SOLEPREMISE bag, man. So head over there to SOLEPREMISE.com. Use promo code KaoticKicks, man, and go save yourself some money. Listen, let's go ahead and get into this video, bro. I don't want this to be a long video. I just wanted to give y'all my thoughts and opinions about this sneaker, plus a little bit of resale prediction, you dig? But listen, to me, the colorway is straight out the gate is fire, man. I love the colorway. You know what I'm saying? That University Blue is fire to me. You know what I'm saying? I'm always going to go after a sneaker that got blue in it anyway. You know what I'm saying? Now, determine on how it actually looks depends on whether I'm going to keep it or not. And these here are definitely a keeper. They come into the collection and they stand, bro. This sneaker right here is dope, bro. Your boy definitely need this one in his collection, man. You know what I'm saying? Bruh, fire, bro. As you can see, man, just from looking at StockX, my size 10 is going for $420, bro. That's the asking price of this sneaker, bro. You know what I'm saying? And if I take a look at the chart, bro, you can see that everything else is around that 400 range, man, or whatnot, bro. So if you're trying to purchase this sneaker right now on StockX, you will be paying about $4-something, close to $5-something for this sneaker, man. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like the resale value of this sneaker might stay around that average right there. Everybody's comparing them to the mochas, bro, and I do feel like they right, bro. I can't even, you know what I'm saying? There's no need for me to argue with them. I do think that these will have mocha prices, bro. They might even surpass mochas, bro, to be honest with you, bro. Just go back and look at all the previous past releases of UNC colorways, bro. They have been doing excellent when it comes to resale numbers, man. I don't know if y'all know, but maybe y'all do. Finish Line had their reservations today. I don't know why they was late, but your boy was able to go ahead and put in on the reservation for that, bro. And I'm still waiting on the feedback from that to see if I took a W. You know what I'm saying? If I did, y'all can follow me on my social media at Kaotic_Kiccs, man, on Instagram, bro. And you can see whether or not if I post a W or not, bro. You dig? But listen, also, I know Hibbett Sports got their reservations open right now. The Flex app, which consists of Champs, eBay, Foot Locker, and Foot Action, they got their reservations open. Chic, I think S&S got a reservations, as well as Kicks Lounge, I don't know about Kick Theory. I think it's supposed to be coming soon on Kick Theory, so y'all pay attention to that. But Jimmy Jazz is getting them, man. DTLR is getting them, man. I don't know the actual inventory number on these things, man, but make sure y'all got y'all notification bell ready, bro. Y'all need to be following Soul Links and J23 on Twitter so that y'all can keep up with all this stuff, man. So they always shoot a link out, whether it's a restock, early access, or a shock drop, you feel me? They keep you up to date on all that stuff right there. Plus, not only that, bro, you got the sneakers app. They own the sneakers app right now, grade school and men's size, and you know what I'm saying? So I think Hibbett Sports them got smaller size. I think they got the PS and Tyler sizes on Hibbett Sports too, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about the sneaker down in the comment section, man. And if y'all do get a W on the sneakers app, man, come back to the video, drop a comment, let me know that you got the W, man. But until next time, bro, it's your boy KaoticKiccs, aka Mr. I Rock My Sneakers, man. And I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Peace.